Morning. I've eaten breakfast. What have you done?
Lie outside.
Ben's lied outside. And now, what's the time actually? It's 9:15 in the morning. I've been up since about 7:30. I'm going to go fly this and actually get some footage to use. Because hopefully it's not hot enough that my bloody iPad's like, oh, it's too hot, you can't do it, and fucking shuts itself off. Right, so we're actually going to go out and do something now. We've pretty much done fuck all day.
I cleaned the house.
I've been cleaning the house. I just put the dishwasher on. We beat the world record of volleyball in the swimming pool. It's quite an achievement. And now we're going to go to, are we going to do a helicopter thing?
We drive past it.
We're going to drive past the helicopter thing, hopefully do that. If not, we are going to the outlet centres to buy some shit that we probably don't need. Ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Fuck the thistle.
Fuck the hashtag fuck the thistle. So we're about to go on the helicopter. We're just waiting for it to turn up. It's like a fucking helicopter from like a James Bond film, like a villain. I am burning hot. It's so hot today, man. It's so ridiculous. Welcome, sir. Look for the picture, okay? So we're just done shopping. I bought a new hat, look. Converse hat. I like it. Ben, what'd you buy?
7 t-shirts.
7 t-shirts. For all 7 of his boyfriends.
1 each.
1 each. Oh, what? Oh, you mean Juan and each? That's 2 of them. Juan and each. Now we're going to go to... We're on International Drive. We're just going to drive down, see what else we can see. Maybe get some food. I mean, you can actually say words.
Words.
Words. There we go. Word. So we're at Sonny's and we're going to go in there, hopefully eat some barbecue food. And it's proper barbecue food as well, so... Oh my god, it's a fucking drive-thru. So we just at Sonny's barbecue. Verdict?
Amazing.
It was really good.
As good as it got.
Proper good. The only thing that was shit about it was this. Pissing down with rain. Fucking joy. Airport, motherfucker. We did the helicopter tour, but you've seen the footage of that already. That was amazing. We did one in Vegas last year, but this one was way more fun because the helicopter literally had one fucking stick and we were doing $1.30. Apparently. Then we went to the outlet stores, bought some clothes. I bought my Converse hat. I bought this from Walmart, my Deadpool jersey. Ben got a Spider-Man one. And we bought this from Walmart as well. Best damn cherry cola, but it's alcoholic. It's the best, yeah, they're right. It's the best damn cherry cola, cherry cola I've ever had. But this, if you don't want to be a fat fuck, then this is the best cherry cola. I've just edited the vlog. I'm exporting it now, I'm going to upload it. So you're going to have 2 in one day. And then I might even start editing today's vlog for tomorrow, whilst having a drink. We may even get in the jacuzzi and have a cigar. So that's how we roll. Also, can't forget the daily shout out to Tank. Hashtag fuck the thistle. I hope you're enjoying college, you ginger fuck. Ben, do you want to say hello to Tank?
Fuck off.
Fuck off, he says. Fuck the thistle. Remember that. Hashtag fuck the thistle. It's fucking Jaeger bomb time, motherfucker. Hell yeah. How fucking big were those glasses? Yeah, we just pulled the plug out of that. Shot number 2. I don't know if you can hear, but we're in the jacuzzi, we're drinking beers, we're having cigars. We're going to say bye now. Say bye, Ben.
Bye, Ben.
Bye, Ben. We'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Cheers, guys. So it's like 2 AM. Me and Ben have been up drinking all night in the hot tub. I'm a bit drunk. So this is the end of the vlog. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. I can't even be fucked to talk because I'm too drunk. Peace. See you later, fuckers.